So welcome to another exciting video brought to you by Vision Concept Academy. This is the series where we are looking at past maths common entrance exams questions. I have on the board two questions. It says if t plus 1 is equals to 9, what is t squared plus 6? So to solve this first one, we are given a statement if number 161, if t plus 1 is equals to 9. So we can find t from here. T is here and 1 is here. This is plus 1. If it cross over to meet 9, it becomes minus 1. So t is equals to, I write this 9, then minus 1. T is equals to 9 minus 1 is 8. So if t is 8, what is t squared plus 6? T squared plus 6, where I see t, I put this 8. So it is 8 squared plus 6. 8 squared is 64 because 8 times 8 is 64 plus 6. 6 plus 64 is 70. So the answer is C. Okay, so the question following is number 162. It says, how many seconds are there in 8 minutes 12 seconds? Already, I have 8 minutes and 12 seconds. So if I want to get the number of seconds in this one is already here as 12 seconds, but I want to find how many seconds are in 8 minutes. And we know that 60 seconds make 1 minute. So I'll say 60 times 8 plus 12. So this is to be expressed in seconds. So 8 times 0 is 0. 8 times 6 is 48. That's 4, 8 plus 12. So I add this together. 2 plus 0 is 2. 1 plus 8 is 9. And 4. So 492 seconds is the answer. The answer is D. Sorry. So we move on to the next question. Okay, so I have on the board two questions. 163 says, calculate the sum of the mean and mode of the following. So what you do for this 163 is to add the mean plus the mode of this distribution. So write it down. 2, 1. Let me write it in ascending order. So I have 1, 1, 2, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, how many 2s do we have? How many 4s do we have? There's 2 1s, there's 2 2s. Okay. There are 3 2s, and there's a 1 4. That's 1, 2, 3 2 is a 1 4. That's 3 6. So the mean for this one, mean is equals to 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 4. That's you add up all the distribution and divide by the number of the distribution. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 of them here. So to get the mean, I say 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. And 8 plus 4 is 12. So this is 12 over 6. That's over this 6. So the mean is 2 because 12 divided by 6 is 2. For mode, I have mode is the one that occurs more. So this one has 2 occurrences. That's 1, 2. 2 has 1, 2, 3 occurrences. That's 3 times. And 4 has 1. So 2 occurs 3 times. So 2 is the mode. So mode is 2. So if I add 2 plus 3, that is mean plus mode. Mean plus mode. 2 plus 3 is equals to 5. So the answer is 5. The answer is 5. 5 is not there. 5 is not there. 2 and 3. 2 is the mean. 3 is the mode. Sorry. See, the answer is there. 2 is the mean. 2 is the mode. Why? Because mode occurs 3 times. I'm writing the number of occurrence instead of the number itself. Sorry. And if there was a 5 then, that's how we would have gotten it wrong. So again, mode. Don't make mistake. Mode is the number that occurred highest. So 2 occur highest because 2 occurred 3 times, and 2 is the mode. So 2 plus 2 is 4. So 4 should be there. should be there. That's 4. All right. So let's just be careful. It means that we can make mistakes, but please just look at it again, know your concept, look at it again, and work on it. So we have number 164. This one is fraction. I have 3 over 1, 3 over 1 over 2 plus 5 whole number 1 over 4 minus 2 over 3. So we're going to do this fraction. So I'm going to rule my line to find my LCM. First of all, the LCM of LCM of all the denominators of the fractions, LCM of 2, 4, and 3 is 12. It's 12. How do I get 12? So to get the LCM, I just rule my line and I put 2 and 4 and 3. Okay, so 2, 4, and 3. I can rule like this. So 2 outside, 2 into 2 is 1, 2 into 4 is 2, 2 into 3 is cannot, so it's still be 3. 2 into 1 is 1, 2 into 2 is 1, 2 into 3 cannot, so it's 3. So the last one is 3, 1, 1, 1. So 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 3 is 12. That's why I have 12 here. So I haven't gotten 12 here. I cannot work on the whole numbers. So I have only 2 whole numbers here. This one, there's no whole number in this fraction. I have 3 as a whole number here and 5 as a whole number here. 3 plus 5 is 8. So 8 will be outside here. So 2, this decimal, this denominator here, 2 into 6. 2 into 12 is 6 times. 6 times 1 is 6 plus 2. 4 into 12 is 3 times. 3 times 1 is 3 minus 3 into 12 is 4 times. 4 times 2 is 8. So I have 8 outside. Then 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 minus 8 is 1 over 12. So this is the solution to that question. So this should be 1 over 12. That's the answer. That's the answer. C. All right. So go to the next question. Okay, so I have these 2 questions on the board. Number 165, it says a trader bought four 1.5 ton sacks of flour. If this flour was packed into 50 kg packets, how many packets are there? So this one, you have 1.5 ton sacks of flour. Convert 1.5 ton to kg. So the question is how many kilogram make 1 ton? So 1,000 kilogram make 1 ton. So 1.5 ton will be 1,000 times 1.5 in kilogram. It will be 1,500 kilogram. So we're going to find how many 50 kg resides can be found in 1,005. So number of packets will now be 1,005 over 50. So 0 cancel 0, 5 here 1, 5 here 3 and 0. So I will have 30. I will have 30 packed inside 1,000 ton. Let me look at it again. I'll check it. Okay, so I have seen where the challenge is now. This one is number of pack because it said it bought 4. This 4. So we're working with one sack. So the number of packets in 1 sack is actually 30. So for 4 sacks is equals to 4 times 30. It will give us 120. So 120 is the number of 50 kg in 4 sacks of 1.5 tons each. So the next question is 166. It says a distance between 2 villages is 30 kilometers. Caddy took 45 minutes to cover the distance by motorcycle. What is the speed? So speed, formula for speed, 166. Formula for speed is equals to distance all over time. Distance all over time. Okay, so if we have this distance over time, the distance is in kilometers and the time should be in hours. But our time here is in minutes. So we have to convert the time to hours. So time is equals to 45 minutes over 60 minutes will give me the time in hours. So for this formula, which says speed is equals to distance over time, our distance is 30 kilometers all over. The time is 45 over 60. This big one here is division. So I will say 30 over 1 divided by 45 over 60. Or I say 30 over 1 times, so I will go up 60 over 45. Okay, at this point now I will cancel out. I will say, what do I use? Let me say 15. Okay, let me say 2 here. Sorry, 5 here, 6. 5 into here is 9. Right? 5 here is 6. 5 into this is 9. 3 here, 2. 3 here, 3. 3 here, 1. 3 here, 2, and 0. So 2 times 20 is 40. So I have 40 kilometer per hour. So the answer is C, 40 kilometer per hour. All right. Okay, so we have these questions on the board. It said, which of the following fractions is the smallest for 167? So number 167, I have 1 over 2, 3 over 5, 3 over 4, and 1 over 3. Okay, so for the smallest one, I said normally you just take the difference between the numerator and denominator, and see which one has larger difference. So this one, difference between 2 and 1 is 1 actually. Difference between 3 and 5 is 2. Difference between 3 and 4 is 1, and difference between 3 and 1 is 2. So these two have larger difference. This one have smaller difference. So out of these two, you have the highest. In fact, the highest is this one. The first one is this one, followed by this one, second. So for these two, this one is the third one, because even if the difference is 2 between numerator and denominator, and they are the same thing here, 2, 2. This one has bigger. When you compare the corresponding numerator and denominator, this one is bigger. 3 is bigger than 1, and 5 is bigger than 3. So this one is third, and this one is fourth. So this one is the smallest. But we'll prove it. We'll prove it by just finding the LCM and comparing everything. Find the LCM and compare everything. 1 over 3. So the LCM of all this, I have 2, 2, 2. I have this and this. 30. No, not 30. Let me do it. LCM between 2, 5, 4, and 3. These are the numbers. 2 here, 1, 5, then 2, then 3. Okay, then 2 here, 1, 5, 1, and 3. 3 here, 1, 5, 1, and 1. 5 here, 1, 1, 1, 1. So 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 times 5 is 60. So 60 is the LCM. 2 into 60 is 30. 30 times 1 is 30. 5 into 60 is 12. 12 times 3 is 20. 48. 12 times 3. 36. Okay. 4 into 60 is 15. 4 into 60 over 4. 4 here 1, 4 here 1 into 20 is 5. 15 times 3 is 45. And 3 into 60 is 20. So if you compare all these ones now, this one is the smallest. This one is the highest, like I said here, followed by okay, this one. Okay, so but I was right here. So the correct answer is 1 over 3. 1 over 3 is the smallest, so this is going to go. You just find the LCM, then make sure that you multiply, you divide each of the denominator with the LCM, so that you can just find the common numerators based on the LCM and compare. So if you are comparing all these ones now, 20 is the smallest, which corresponds to 1 over 3. So that's the answer there. So for number 168, it says express 15 gram as a decimal fraction of 1 kilogram. So convert this 1 kilogram to gram. You say 168. 1,000 gram make 1 kilogram. So I have 15 over 1,000. So this is the fraction I want to, or the decimal I want to do. So this is 15, and to do the division, 15 over 1,000. Over 1,000. So I will take this 0, this decimal point. There's a decimal point at the end of this 0. If I take it 1 like this, 1, I also take this one again, 1. If I take this one 2, I'll take here 2. If I take here 3, I'll take here 3. I add my 0, put dots. So the answer is 0.015. That is C. C is the answer. C is the answer. Okay. Then the last one in this series of questions on the board, number 169, it says simplify 5 1 over 2 minus 3 1 over 8 divided by 2 1 over 2. So I'm going to take it gradually. I'll do the bracket first. So I'll do my LCM of 2 and 8 is 8. 5 minus 3 is 2. 2 into 8 is 4 times. 4 times 1 is 4. Minus 8 into 8 is 1 time. 1 times 1 is 1. Still, I'm still dividing by 2, 1 over 2. So I will solve this. Have 2 outside here. 4 minus 1 is 3 over 8 divided by this one, 2, 1 over 2. Now, if I change this division into multiplication, okay, first of all, let me find a proper fraction. So this one is 2 times 8 is 16. 2 times 8 is 16. 16 plus 3 up is 19 over 8 divided by 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1, 5 over 2. So if I write this one 19 over 8 and put this division, change it to multiplication, this one will be back to 2 over 5. So 2 here 1, 2 here 4. So I have 19 times 1 is 19, 4 times 5 is 20. So the answer is 19 over 20, which is D. Okay, so I have this quick question on the board. It said the scale of a map is 1 cm. I'm reading question 170. Is 1 cm to 20 kilometers. What is the distance between town B, P, and Q if the distance on the map is 3.8? So this is just a direct proportionality thing. If this is the scale, this to this, what is this? And what is the corresponding kilometer of this? So it's just cm ratio to kilometer ratio. So cm ratio, 1 cm over 3.8 cm is equals to 20 kilometer is to x kilometer. You see, 1 is to this, 3.8 is to the unknown. We're looking for this unknown. So at this point, we cross multiply like this. Cross multiply. X times 1 is x kilometer is equals to 20 times 3.8 is just do the math here. 3.8 times 20. 0 is just is 0, 0. Is 2 times 8 is 16. 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1, 7. So this is 0, 6, 7. So this is 76. So x kilometer is 76 kilometer. This is the answer here. Okay. So for number 171, 171, the next question, it says if A is equals to 8, B is equals to 1, C is equals to 5, find the value of this one here. So we're looking for 12 over A plus 3B minus C. We're looking for this one. So if you're looking for this one, we are given that A is 8, right? So it is 12 over 8 plus, then B is what? 1. 3 times 1, then minus C is what? 5. Just substitute. When you see A, you put 8. When you see B, you put 1. When you see C, you put 5. That's what I did here. Okay, so at this point, you can now do your algebra. I have 12 over 8 plus 3 times 1 is 3 minus 5. So this is what I'm going to solve under here. So 12 over 3 plus 8 is 11. 11 minus 5 is 6. 6 here 1, 6 here 2. So the final answer is 2. That's A. All right, so I hope this video has been informative for you. I'd like to thank you for viewing.